Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the blur background feature in Zoom. Whether you want to keep your background private or just give your video calls a professional look, this feature is super useful. So, let's get started. First of all, open the Zoom desktop app and make sure you are logged in. Click on your profile picture at the top right and select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, go to the Background and Effects tab. Here you will find the option to blur your background along with other virtual background choices. Now, click on Virtual Backgrounds tab and select the Blur option. Zoom will automatically apply a soft blur effect to your background. If you don't see this option, make sure your Zoom app is updated to the latest version. Once the blur effect is applied, join or restart a meeting to see how it looks. If you ever want to switch back to a normal background, just go back to the same settings and turn off the blur effect. And that's it. Now you know how to blur your background in Zoom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.